Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I'll be showing how I'm packing my beautiful Ryla Ready pack. Full disclosure, this bag was sent to me. However, I have purchased twice before, and I absolutely adore these diaper bags. They are wonderful minimalist diaper bags, and this is their new and improved version, so let's just get right to it. So as I was saying, this bag was sent to me, but I stand behind it because I have purchased it before, and I was actually going to purchase this one when they reached out to send this to me. This is the brown color, and it has the new hardware. It's a yellow gold instead of a brassy gold, and it looks amazing with this new brown. It has a few other updates, including the material of the bag. It is so stunning. It's beautiful. It is no longer the textured material. Even though I like that one a lot, I think that this is more classy, and it's just really beautiful. Okay, so starting off on the outside, on this side pocket, these stretch out really well, so you can put in a big bottle, but then they lay flat when you don't want anything bulking out. I just have my phone, and this is an iPhone XS, and I don't have anything in this pocket. I usually just toss in random things like receipts, or sometimes my sunglasses end up in there. So in the front pocket, this is where I have all of my things. I have my sunglasses in their case. I have my wallet, and this is an NCO coin purse that I use as a wallet because I really don't need a heck of a lot. So this is just the right size. Let's see, I have a Sharpie and a hair tie. I have a mirror, a pen, and my favorite lipstick. And I also have my earbuds. I apologize if the lighting isn't at its best. It's gonna rain soon, so it's kind of an overcast day. This is a backpack only diaper bag, so it can't convert, but it is really comfortable. They are padded and just really nice. Also, it has this really big handle, which is convenient because you can pull it out or just carry it around from there if you need to, especially when you're going in and out of the car. It's nice to have this handle. I have a star attached with the little diaper bag dispenser and a hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. This is another update. It is along the zipper. They had this same pocket before, but it opens wider, which makes it easier to put bigger things like an iPad. I have the original sized iPad, and it fits perfectly. It is also felt lined, so it's convenient because it doesn't scratch up your electronics. There isn't anything in here right now because it's pretty packed, but it's a perfect place to put your phone or wallet or iPad or any kind of tablet. So moving on to the front, it has double zippers, and I'm gonna bend it forward so you can get a better look. It has a few pockets, and then it has a large main compartment. Right on top here, I have something beneath it. I have a burp cloth from Copper Pearl in the bloom print, and then beneath that I have a small set piece from Jujubee, and this has a Mophie charger, the cable for charging my phone, and an extra set of headphones. In this pocket over here, I have a Draft to Go pen, and on the other side pocket, I have 2 fig bars and 2 wet ones. One of the other updates is a new pocket right here on the side, which I happen to love because I can put in a few toys for my kids. I have a troll and a few cars. I am missing Branch, no idea where he went. And then right next to the pocket, I have one of these deodorants. These are just so bulky, but I love having them. And then I have 2 pouches. These are the Lily Jade pouches, and I think that they just look lovely with the bag, and they are pretty awesome. I love them. This is the medium-sized one, and in here I have 3 diapers, a hand sanitizer, a spare change of clothes, and some wipes. This is the larger Lily Jade pouch. It's really big. And I have a foldable potty, a spare change of clothes for my daughter, and 1 for my son. And I also have a wet bag. It has 2 insulated pockets in the back. In this pocket, I have 2 pouches of applesauce. And these weren't in here before, but just so you can get an idea, it's perfect for these yogurt pouches or string cheese or bottles. They're pretty great. I don't think I mentioned it before, but I am packing for twins that will be 3 soon. My daughter is fully potty trained, but my son is not yet. So I have 2 diapers in a size 6 for my son just in case. And then there is this last pocket. And in here I have a pad, a little foldable mirror, a flashlight, and a travel-on pouch that has some important documents because my husband will be deploying pretty soon. This bag does include this great little whip bag and a really nice change pad. It's wipeable and it's one of the largest change pads that I have, I think. I'm pretty sure it is. However, it is a little bit bulky to put inside of the bag with all of those things that I'm carrying around. What I do is I put this in the stroller basket because it's really nice and cushy, which is a must when you have a little baby. So that is everything that I had in my bag. I hope that you found this useful. If you're looking for this bag and trying to decide if it's for you, it is a really nice size. I wouldn't say it's tiny, but it's not huge either. It fits everything you need and it really does help you find out what it is that you actually use. It helped me slim down on things a lot and I just love that I have one again. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this or found this useful, and if you did, please show me with a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button before you go. If you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.